Folks, the pullback that we're seeing in the market with the Dow being down 500 points or so, give or take, it's fluctuating, it's creating two sizzling hot opportunities for two energy stocks. That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Now, the Fed is now hinting that rates may be going higher faster than initially expected, or that they may end up slowing down their bond buying programs, which in turn would cause long-term rates to trade higher. While this is bearish for stocks that have negative sensitivity to inflation, some stocks actually benefit from higher inflation, such as commodities, bank stocks, and energy prices. Here's my primary reason for being bullish on energy stocks and the entire energy market as well. Any way you look at it, demand is on the rise. The EIA predicts global consumption will top 100 million barrels per day later this year. At these levels, global consumption will be right near all-time highs set in 2018 and 2019. And that tells me that we're clearly seeing global consumption outpacing production. And I believe this trend will continue as the world continues to look past COVID and reopen back up. Now, the energy sector surprised the market in the first quarter and turned in a double-digit year-over-year earnings increase despite an expectation of larger double-digit earnings decrease because of higher oil prices. Now, we're expecting to see the energy sector as a group turn in triple-digit earnings increases this quarter, which should increase momentum and upside in the overall sector. Most importantly, energy markets usually trend for extended periods of time. And right now, crude is sitting at $72 per barrel with a multi-year resistance level just a hair above our current price level. If the price of crude breaks out just a hair higher, it could trigger a massive, massive rally, driving price to the $100 barrel. Therefore, I'm looking at two energy stocks that I believe will are prime candidates for more upside movement if we have a little bit of patience and time. And right now with the pullback, it's probably a good time to use this opportunity to dip your toe into the traditional energy market. I've talked about these two stocks. These are on top of my relative strength list. So both technically, fundamentally, and if you take the inflationary pressure into account, they make sense right now. First stock, Diamondback Energy, ticker symbol FANG. This is an oil and natural gas company focused on the acquisition, development, exploration, and exploitation, that's right, I said it, exploitation of unconventional onshore oil and natural gas reserves in the Permian Basin in West Texas. It's given us a 113% return over the last 12 months, 4 quarters of positive earnings surprises and estimates, and a price target of $100 per share over the next 5 weeks if the pullback in the energy stocks and the entire broad market snaps back higher, which is my expectation at this time. Second stock, Marathon Oil Corporation, ticker symbol MRO. This is a leading exploration and production company with extensive operations across 4 core regions: Africa, Middle East, Europe, and North America for sure. 12-month return, 123%. It's a small price stock. It's only, I think, $12 stock. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 275% growth. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 231% growth. 3 quarters of positive earnings estimates and a price target of $16 per share over the next 8 weeks, assuming pullback snaps back and inflationary stock back up as I expect them to be. Hope that helps. Folks, what if? What if there was a way to simplify trading? What if investors didn't have to waste time poring over reports, financial documents, and analyst opinions? Man, the world would be a much better place. What if all that could be just tossed out in the garbage can? Well, I say it can be. And that's mostly because of all of those things just are not that important. They no longer matter. You see, the only thing that does matter is this one simple line. When a stock crosses that line, profits could soar. Want to see how? Just click on the link below to get all of the details about what I call the sniper line. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube, stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when I post the next video.